I could go out on any given day and fish for anything, it would be smallmouth bass. Pound for pound, they fight as hard as any fish out there. I think that's what attracts me to them the most, is they're so fun to catch.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got
We're extremely blessed here in Minnesota because we have so many different lakes that carry an abundance of smallmouth and largemouth bass.
This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy